Okay, so this is a test of this very saxophone from the school, and yeah, I'm planning to get my own horn soon, so just wanted to do a test before. So I'm gonna play low A all the way up to whatever I feel like. Good tone overall. This is my setup. I'll put in the description either way, but Leger American cut 2.5 size reed and a Raffner dark ligature. This is my main setup, and I have a different setup right here, which I'm still trying to get used to. This is my Buffet Crampton with a unnamed ligature that I got. So